Hey there, fellow dog enthusiasts. Today we've got something special for you, the ultimate dog training guide. In just 10 minutes, we're going to transform your pup into a well-behaved companion. So, buckle up and let's dive into the world of dog training. First things first, it's crucial to understand your dog's behavior. They communicate a lot through body language. Pay attention to the tail, ears, and vocalizations. Positive reinforcement is key to building a strong bond with your furry friend. Now let's move on to basic commands. Sit, stay, and come are fundamental. Use treats and praise as rewards. And remember, consistency is key. Now that we've covered understanding your dog's behavior, let's dive into the essential foundation of dog training. Basic commands. Mastering commands like sit, stay, and come lays the groundwork for a well-behaved and obedient pup. It's all about building a language of communication between you and your furry friend. So grab your treats, get ready to praise, and let's embark on this fundamental training journey. And remember, consistency is the golden rule. Our first command is sit. Teaching your dog to sit on command is not only practical, but also sets the stage for other commands. Start by holding a treat above your dog's nose and slowly moving it back over their head. As their head follows the treat, their bottom should naturally lower into a sitting position. The moment their behind touches the ground, say sit and reward them with the treat and praise. Fantastic. Now, let's move on to stay. A reliable stay command is crucial for keeping your dog safe in various situations. Begin with your dog in a sitting position. Hold your hand, palm out, in front of their face and say stay. Take a step back, then immediately return to reward them if they remain in place. Gradually increase the distance and duration as your dog becomes more proficient. Great job so far. Lastly, we have the come command. This one is a game changer, especially in open spaces. Start in a low distraction environment, crouch down, and excitedly say come while patting your thighs. When your dog approaches, reward them with treats and praise. This command builds a strong recall and reinforces a positive association with returning to you. Remember, consistency is key in reinforcing these commands. Practice in different environments and gradually increase distractions. Each successful repetition strengthens the bond between you and your dog. So whether you're teaching sit, stay, or come, be patient, stay positive, and enjoy the journey of watching your furry friend become a well-trained companion. Leash training is not just about control, it's about safety too. Loose leash walking is a skill every dog should master. Check out these techniques to make your walks enjoyable for both you and your pup. Leash training is a crucial aspect of responsible dog ownership, and it goes beyond just control. It's about ensuring the safety and enjoyment of both you and your furry friend. Mastering loose leash walking is a skill that enhances the bond between you and your dog, making walks a pleasant experience for everyone involved. So, let's dive into some detailed techniques to make leash training a breeze for both you and your pup. Before we start, it's important to choose the right leash and collar for your dog. Make sure the collar is snug but not too tight, and the leash is of an appropriate length. Now, let's begin with the attention technique. This involves teaching your dog to focus on you during walks, which is the foundation for loose leash walking. Let's examine the stop and go method. If your dog starts pulling on the leash, simply stop walking. Wait for them to release tension on the leash and come back to your side. When they do, praise and reward them, then continue walking. This teaches your dog that pulling gets them nowhere, while walking nicely is rewarded. Additionally, incorporate changes in direction during your walks. This keeps your dog engaged and attentive. Use verbal cues like left or right and reward them for following your lead. Changing directions prevents pulling and reinforces the idea that they should pay attention to you. Now, let's talk about the red light, green light technique. Imagine the leash as a traffic light. When your dog pulls red light, you stop. When they ease the tension, green light, you continue. This method encourages your dog to walk without pulling, as they learn that pulling results in stopping the fun. Remember, consistency is key in leash training. Practice these techniques regularly and gradually introduce them during your walks. Patience, positive reinforcement, and a bit of practice will transform your walks into enjoyable and stress-free experiences for both you and your pup. Socialization is vital for a well-rounded dog. exposure to different people, dogs, and environments is key. Here are some practical tips to ensure positive socialization experiences for your furry friend. Socialization is not just a buzzword. It's a fundamental aspect of raising a well-rounded and balanced dog. Exposing your furry friend to various people, dogs, and environments during their critical developmental stages is key to preventing behavior issues and fostering a confident and adaptable companion. So let's explore some in-depth practical tips to ensure positive socialization experiences for your pup, creating a foundation for a socially confident and friendly dog. Firstly, start early. The critical socialization window for puppies is between 3 and 14 weeks of age. During this time, puppies are more receptive to new experiences. Introduce them to a variety of people, including different ages, genders, and ethnicities. Encourage gentle interactions and positive experiences, ensuring they associate new faces with positive encounters. Equally important is exposing your pup to other dogs. Set up play dates with well-mannered dogs, ensuring the interactions are positive and supervised. Pay attention to your dog's body language. A wagging tail and relaxed posture indicate a positive experience. If signs of stress or fear emerge, intervene calmly and redirect their focus to something positive. Expand your pup's horizons by exposing them to various environments. Gradually introduce them to different sounds, sights, and surfaces. Take short trips to places like parks, markets, or even pet-friendly stores. The goal is to create positive associations, building their confidence in navigating new environments without fear or anxiety. Expand your pup's horizons by exposing them to various environments. Gradually introduce them to different sounds, sights, and surfaces. Take short trips to places like parks, markets, or even pet-friendly stores. The goal is to create positive associations, building their confidence in navigating new environments without fear or anxiety. Consistency is key in socialization. Regularly expose your dog to a variety of experiences, even beyond their puppyhood. Incorporate positive reinforcement techniques during these encounters, using treats, praise, and toys to reward calm and confident behavior. Remember, the aim is not just exposure, but creating positive associations. Lastly, seek professional guidance if needed. If your dog exhibits fear or aggression, consult with a professional dog trainer or behaviorist. They can provide tailored strategies to address specific socialization challenges and ensure your pup develops into a well-adjusted, socially confident adult dog. By following these tips and incorporating positive socialization experiences into your dog's routine, you're laying the groundwork for a furry friend who is not only well-behaved, but also socially adept and ready to thrive in various situations. Happy socializing. Now let's tackle common training issues. Jumping, barking, and chewing can be challenging, but fear not. We've got quick solutions for each problem. Remember, patience and consistency are your best allies. Let's start with the issue of jumping. Whether your dog jumps on guests or you during walks, it's a behavior that needs addressing. The key is to teach an alternative behavior, such as sitting. When your dog approaches someone, ask for a sit command and reward them with treats and praise. Consistently reinforcing this behavior will signal to your dog that sitting is more rewarding than jumping. Excessive barking can be a nuisance, but understanding the root cause is crucial. Dogs bark for various reasons: to communicate, express excitement, or signal discomfort. Identifying the trigger is the first step. Once you understand why your dog is barking, you can use positive reinforcement to redirect their attention. For example, if your dog barks at the doorbell, teach them to associate the sound with positive experiences like treats or playtime. Chewing is a natural behavior for dogs, but it can become problematic when they target your favorite pair of shoes or the furniture. To address this, provide appropriate chew toys and encourage your dog to use them. When you catch them chewing on something they shouldn't, redirect their attention to the designated chew toy. Consistency is key here. Praise and reward them when they make the right choice, and over time, they'll learn what's acceptable to chew on. And there you have it, our ultimate dog training guide in just 10 minutes. I hope you found these tips helpful. Start implementing them today and watch your pup transform. If you have any success stories or questions, drop them in the comments below. Happy training.
Thank you for watching. We hope that we have expanded your knowledge somewhat. It would be awesome if you would join us, comment, like and subscribe. See you next time. Have a great day.